A small change makes a big difference. Now you see Foxtail hairdryer, which is made in Korea by Intro Public Company Limited. Foxtail with a BLDC motor provides powerful wind and saves your time. In addition, it creates a perfect cold wind. Not only is this a hairdryer, it is exceptional as a vacuum cleaner for removing your hair scattered on the floor. The patented technologies applied to Foxtail will make your life easier. Like magic, once a month in just one shot. The advanced technology of gathering and disposal. This is Foxtail hairdryer.